got here, man, but I think you got out before the beef.
What beef?
Yo, I can get shot for talking with you.
Lucky when he shoot you for reaching up under your shirt. Speak.
A cat named Jimmy Mack started recruiting Rikers Island about 5 months ago. Called the Corner Hustlers.
Yeah, red hat with the C. Same thing. What's Jimmy Mack's rap?
That dude's crazy. He makes his crew rape girls before they can roll. And we don't need that kind of eating monster. So the Kings put a price on his head.
Jimmy Mack, a.k.a. James McDonald, is a real scumbag. His greatest hits include pimping, assault, and robbery. He's a repeat offender. He catches one more felony, he's going away for life.
McDonald's the leader of the Corner Hustlers. Could have ordered an initiation murder. Jaden and Ezra killed Julie to get into the gang.
Just found McDonald. He was at Rikers.
What for?
Jumping a turnstile at the station right by the park where we found Julie's body. He posted bail an hour ago.
He should be getting to the Queensboro Plaza any minute.
Let's go. There's Jimmy Mack. We got him.
There's nobody around him.